First off, I just want to start off by saying blurring out content on YouTube is something I need to learn how to do faster because, man, it took me quite some time to get that done. But, anyways, today's May 21st, the day after May 20th. My Halliburton stock has not moved too much, but it's time to pick a new stock today to invest $10 in. So, let's see what S&P stock picker gives us as a pick. I did make one change to the picker. It's not going to change how random it is. It's still going to pick something of the top 503 company, or sorry, the 503 companies that make up the S&P. But now it will showcase what sector it's in, or hopefully it does do that. I was testing it yesterday and it seemed like it worked really well. So this is the first one I'm using. I just woke up. So let's see. I need to drink some water, actually. Let's see what this bad boy picks for us today. Today's stock is Decker's Outdoor Court. Why do I keep getting these weird ones? When I test it, I get some pretty awesome stocks. But then on the flip side, when I'm actually going live, this is the stuff that I'm getting. Okay, cool. So Decker's Outdoor Court. I actually don't know what this one is. The sector that it's in is consumer discretionary. The ticker symbol is DECK. Decker's Outdoor Court is the proud company of UGG, those cozy boots that became the official winter uniform of I just rolled out of bed fashion. Ironically, for a brand famous for keeping toes toasty, they originally started out making sandals. Guess they figured out people needed shoes for when they wake up and realize it's freezing outside. This fun fact stuff is hilarious. Sorry. So, all right, we're gonna take this bad boy here, and if everything works out properly, we'll put it in here. Decker's Outdoor Core. Look at that. Holy cow. What? By the way, the stock price doesn't really mean anything, FYI, guys. So, like, just because the price of the stock is really high, it could still have a very low market capitalization. It probably didn't split at any given point, and so the stock has just always been this or like, sorry, it's never split into individual other additional shares. So there's just always been the price of the stock since the beginning. Well, not that price, but yeah, look into it. Um, just woke up, like I said. So yeah, we're gonna continue with this. I'm gonna try not to do too much scrolling. I realized that the scrolling was what literally made it difficult for me to blur out the content. So we're just gonna see how much we could go with not having to do that. I'm gonna pick the account because I know I'm gonna be able to blur it. As always, guys, it's a long game. We're never gonna divest any of our shares. If the company goes bankrupt, that sucks. That's why we're gonna diversify our portfolio with S&P Stock Picker giving us random stocks. Hopefully, if it follows the S&P 500, everything should track up as we do this more consistently. But we're reinvesting all our dividends. We're not taking anything out. This is going straight back in. So, yeah, we're going to review our selection here. I already know the blurdy blur rules, so we're not even going to scroll. I do have to scroll a little bit, I guess, here to confirm and place my order. But I'm not going to scroll back up because there's no need for it. I know everything's good, so dividends will be reinvested for DEC. We're buying $10 of it, market, day only. The market is now closed, order will be placed. And the quote at the time of order verification, as of 8:47, that's the time right now, Eastern Time, May 21st, 2024. Let's go. Let's place our order. Boom, order place. There we go, guys. So that is exciting. That is day two. We're not missing a step. And I'm really not sure if I should just trade on like trading days or also buy a stock on a Friday, put it in for an order, buy a stock on Saturday, put it in for an order on Monday. Um, because at the end of the day, like I want to be sure that I can be super consistent with this. The thing that's going to be easy about it is doing it every single day on the weekdays. But on the weekends, I might be traveling, I might be doing something. If I feel like I can do it then I might surprise you guys with a weekend investment. But for sure, every single trading day and the holidays of those trading days, I will be putting in $10. But I'll do my best. I could be somewhere with completely no internet, and I'll have to like find an internet cafe to do this. I do travel a lot, so. But that's it for you guys for today. So yesterday was Halliburton. Boo. Today was Deck. No idea what they do. So I'll have to look into them a little bit more. And then hopefully tomorrow we get some good ones like, I don't know, Nvidia, maybe an AMD in there. I don't know, maybe a bank ticker symbol. I'm hoping for something a little bit more in what I'm familiar with. But anyways, what's the outro I'm gonna come up with? Okay, so the outro is gonna be so that's the end of the video, but that's probably the best $10 I will invest today or spend today. Invest, spend today. So I will catch you guys mañana for another Tenna Trade video, essentially. Peace out. That wasn't a peace. That was a thumbs up.